Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you want to buy a domain on Wix? This tutorial will guide you throughout the process of searching for and purchasing and connecting a domain to your Wix website. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, in this video we are going to completely cover the methods of buying a website or a domain in Wix. There are several ways to buy a domain in Wix. We are going to cover all of them, manage to get which one is the best for us, which one is the cheapest, and which one is basically the most expensive one. So first of all, make sure to log in into your dashboard and simply create a site if you don't have one, or log into an already made website that you own. So there we go. And now what I'm gonna do is to simply, in this let's set up your business, I'm gonna go to the second step, which is connect a custom domain, and I am going to write a name for my domain. For example, here I'm gonna write something like Team Esports Cup, and I'm simply now what's gonna do, click here to make it mine. So let's click on make it yours, and as you can see, they will give you this pop-up. Now there is two options of buying a domain in Wix. First option is by getting your website to a premium plan. By getting that, you will be able to get a 1-year free domain voucher. But do not get teased with it, since you will be paying monthly for a plan that is gonna cost you $7, but the domain is not gonna cost you that. So let's check that for a reason. So let's reason that with mathematics. So the least thing that you can buy for a premium plan is the light plan, which comes to $7. So the $7 is not per year, it is per month, and you will have a free domain that comes with it. So this plan is very good when you are trying to use Wix as your main platform for making websites and for using it as basically building sites for yourself, and at the same time getting a free domain with it is an add-on. But in case you did not want to actually use the premium plan at all, and you do not want to use Wix as your page builder, then I highly don't recommend you to go for the premium plan, but click on this bluish text right here, and they will give you this pop-up window where you can literally buy the domain that you want. Let's go with 1 year, and this is the price. You might tell me this is expensive, 17, and the other hand, the other one was $7. But guys, the other one was $7 per month, which comes in a year with a total of $84. So this one will save you, as you can see, $66. So this is a very good deal. Otherwise, I don't highly recommend you to either buy from Wix any domain in case you were looking for a domain on Wix, since Wix doesn't really offer that much of discounts or basically good deals. Other hand, if you went to, for example, in GoDaddy, Namecheap, OneOnion, and much more other like platform that sells, and they are mainly made to selling domains, you'll find these that can go up till $97 like this percent discounts, which can literally let you with a $1 domain or less. So this is like the main idea that I want to try to make you understand. Wix is not really a good place to buy, but you still can buy domain from it. So let's try to buy this domain. So as we said, I'm gonna go with 1 year and then click on continue. Then here in this area, you have to complete this form or the contact info. You must put here your first name, last name, phone number, company name which is optional, email, street, country, city, and postal code. And you might need to verify your email address in order to proceed to the next step. Then privacy, you will simply have to choose the payment method, such as there will be credit card, there will be PayPal, and much more, depending on your country and where you reside at the moment. Then the checkout, you have simply to confirm the payments, and you have to wait a couple of seconds and the payment will proceed, and then you will own the domain at your own. So it's pretty simple, guys. Nothing is much complicated about these steps. So all you need to do is to go ahead and create a site, go to the second step and click on make it yours, write of course the domain, and that's pretty much it. You simply have to go through the filling information, check out, and that's pretty much it. Now let's confirm everything within this article. This is made by the Help Center of Wix. So, purchasing a domain from Wix. A domain name is your site's personalized unique web address on the web. It's the text that people type into a browser in order to reach your site. For example, Wix.com. This makes it easier for visitors to find your site and helps to make your web presence more professional by providing a distinct online space for your company and brand. You can browse and purchase a domain directly from your Wix for Wix to your site. As before you begin to connect your domain, you must upgrade your site. To receive the free domain voucher when you purchase, select yearly premium or studio site plans. You cannot go with the monthly plans, guys. So for example, here you might tell me, alright, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy this plan for 1 month, which is the that gives me basically this one. Let me just close this. So you're gonna tell me I'm gonna go with $7 per month. I'm gonna only buy for 1 month and then I'm gonna go out. No, this is the yearly plan, guys. You cannot go and cancel it. It is a yearly term, so you will have to pay for the whole year. Even if you try to cancel and remove your card, that is not gonna be an option since the debt is already made, and the money will be cut the moment you try to actually cancel it. So put your precautions, guys. You cannot do that. You cannot trick the system. Now for purchasing the domain, go to your domain page in your site, click buy domain, enter domain name and extension in the search field, then click search. If the domain name is available, click get to register it directly on Wix. If the domain you enter is not available, go back 2 steps and try another domain name or extension. Select the registration period and click continue. Enter your contact information and click continue, and basically select privacy protection level if you want high protection like Whois and to have SSO with it, and basically click then on continue, select your payment method and click submit purchase, and just like that you own now a website within Wix. So that was pretty much it, guys, for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel, and see you guys in the next tutorial.